today we are going to go to new decorating vistas. I'm an expert at interior decorating because I'm an interior decorator. Pretty easy, huh? But what I really love are pillows, because pillows can really make that extra added punch in your room for really pennies on the dollar. I've made a number of pillows in my own home, and you can see that they're all very different shapes and sizes with different decorative treatments. These really cost me next to nothing, and I really think they add so much color and vibrancy to the room. Well, today you are really in for a very fun surprise, because we're going to do something called the tuxedo pillow. And a tuxedo pillow can never be bad in any way, shape, or form. I mean, a tuxedo always looks formal and it always looks in place. And I'm going to show you how to make a really simple, easy pillow that's going to add a lot of pop and punch to your room for really next to nothing. This pillow can probably cost you under $10, and trust me, it's going to look like a $30 to $40 pillow, and it's going to take you less than an hour to make. So you make sure you take a pencil and paper and come right back, because I'm going to show you how to make the tuxedo pillow, and you are going to love it.